Want to hear more of the song? Well, come along with me on this learning journey to discover all about buses. MC Grammar visits the London Bus Museum. Welcome, Grammar Gang, to the London Bus Museum. I need some facts for my thinking cap, but how many do I need?
5!
There's over 150 years worth of history here at the London Bus Museum, including this bus behind me, which was made in 1875. But one second, why is there a horse?
Hello MC Grammar, my name's Bus Driver Grammar and I've got the answer to your question. The horse is pulling that bus because that's how it used to be and why it's called horsepower. And did you know the first ever bus was invented by a guy called Blaise Pascal in 1662 in France, and it wasn't until centuries later that it caught on and buses became a regular thing. Now that is a fantastic fact.
That's an awesome fact. Thank you so much, Bus Driver Grammar. In fact, I'm going to stick that in my thinking cap. Buses used to be pulled by horses.
1!
All aboard the most famous bus in the world. What's it called? The Route Master.
Behind me right now is something we all recognise. It's been on the capital's roads for many years. Yes, it's the London bus, and of course, it's red. The question is, has it always been red?
No, it hasn't.
My name is Simon. I'm a volunteer at the London Bus Museum and I am a retired vicar.
Thank you so much for joining us, Simon. You're a legend. Can you tell us more about the red London bus?
Some are red, some are green, but the original red paint came from LGOC.
What does that stand for?
London General Omnibus Company, who in 1907 painted them red because they stood out, as you can see. When all the independents around London were incorporated into London Transport country area, they painted them green.
That is a fantastic fact to add to my thinking cap. Not all London buses were red. Let's put that in the cap.
2!
So it's London General Omnibus Company. Now that is a big word. I'm stuck on one of those words. What does omnibus mean?
Omnibus comes from a Latin derivation, omni meaning all, and everybody got on, all got on the bus, so omnibus, and then we shorten it to bus.
So we know that omnibus means all. It's shortened to bus, and that's how we got the word bus. Let's add that to the thinking cap.
3!
Now here's something super cool. The actual tone used on the London Red Bus is called Pantone 485C, and it's also used by McDonald's, the Royal Mail, and the London Underground, oh, and also a Kit Kat chocolate bar, but you didn't know that. Speaking of colour, did you know in America the school buses are painted yellow? They made that colour specifically for the buses. So much so, it's actually called School Bus Yellow. And now it's time for my favourite part of MC Grammar visits. Yes, the epic game of true or false, and it's taking place inside the London bus today. You know the rules, and you can play at home, remember. True or false? This side is true. This side is false. First of all, we need some questions. And who's going to ask those questions? Yes, it's the legend, Simon!
I am here with the questions. First question, the three-decker bus that is seen in the Harry Potter films is a real working bus, true or false?
A triple-decker bus and a movie. I reckon that is false.
I'm afraid it's true. Was specially constructed for that particular film and sequence, and it's in purple and a working vehicle. Question number 2, true or false? To celebrate the Queen's Platinum Jubilee, all London buses were painted purple.
All London buses painted purple? No, I don't believe that. London buses are red, remember? So I'm going to say false.
The answer is false. Only 8 buses were painted in the Platinum Jubilee colours. Question number 3. You will only find a classic Route Master bus in London.
Well, we know London buses are red, so it must be true. This is a London bus and it deserves to be in London only.
I'm afraid that's false. Of course, Route Masters have been exported around the world and you can find them in Canada, Australia, the USA and lots of other places as well.
Check this out. Yep, I just pressed the bell on the London Route Master 1962 bus, and guess what? Now I'm going to go onto the upper deck and you're coming with me. Let's go. And here we are. Look at it. It's amazing. These cushions, but you didn't know, are super comfortable because this bus was used for long journeys, and that's why up here we have luggage racks for the customers. And now it's time to get inside the actual cab of a 1962 Routemaster London bus. Simon, you're going to teach me what to do here.
Left hand on that one.
Left hand.
Right hand on that one.
Right hand on this one.
Left leg in the foothold.
Oh wow.
Up you go.
Up we go.
And
Hand on the wheel.
steering wheel if we need to.
And we're in. Are you ready for the horn?
Yes.
Let's do it. Yay!
Ready for the
One more time. One more time. That's it. Promise. No more. While I'm here at the London Bus Museum, let's go and explore some buses. Follow me. I can't believe it, I'm about to go on a vintage bus. This was made in 1951 and is over 70 years old, and guess who's driving? The main man, Simon. Let's go. And we're off, and as you can tell, I'm holding on because it's really, really bumpy. But hey, what do you expect? It was made over 70 years ago. I tell you what, it still works perfectly. I love it. Oh, there's a bus stop. I wonder if we're going to stop. Actually, that's a good question. How many bus stops are there in London?
That's actually a great question, Grammar. Did you know there's over 19,000 bus stops in London? True story.
Whoa, that's a lot of bus stops, which means there must be lots and lots of passengers. But I wonder how many?
You're not going to believe this, mate, but over 2 billion passengers use the London bus service every year.
Wow, now those facts are awesome. So awesome, I'm going to stick them in the thinking cap for my rap. You ready? 1, 2.
5.
Now that was an epic experience. And do you know what? I reckon I'd make a really good bus driver. And do you know who I think would make a really good MC Grammar? Over to you, Simon. Hey, we're back. Do you know why? Because I've got all 5 fantastic facts, which means it's time to rap. You know how it goes. Shades on, play the song.
All aboard!
Whoa, what is this?
This is a London bus, Mr. G. And as soon as you tap, we can begin our journey, mate.
A journey to where?
To London, of course, the greatest city in the world.
Round and round and the wheels on the bus, they go round and now you shout it loud.
Shout.
Round,
I said
louder,
and again,
2 times,
and again,
2 times. Hey, you might not know, but a long time ago,
Carry on.
that a bus was pulled by a horse. Huh? Where? France, of course. And hey, there's more in store.
Like?
The word bus is short for omnibus, which means all.
Wow.
London's first public transport. Round and the wheels on the bus, they go round and now you shout it loud.
Shout.
Round,
I said
louder,
and again,
2 times,
and again,
2 times. Stop, where? At the bus stop. Which one? There's lots. Yeah, 19,000. Really? Well, around that, see, all the passengers need them. And there's around 2 billion.
Wow.
Every year, and that's brilliant.
so everybody sing it.
Round and the wheels on the bus, they go round and now you shout it loud.
Shout.
Round,
I said
louder,
and again,
2 times,
and again,
2 times. Yo, before 1907,
Yeah.
London hadn't developed
What?
the famous red that's present.
Okay.
For that, we've got to give credit to the LGOC, who painted all of their fleet.
They did.
And after that, the others sat and said, "Can we copy?" Hey, round and the wheels on the bus, they go round and now you shout it loud.
Shout.
Round,
I said
louder,
and again,
2 times,
and again,
2 times.
Another satisfied customer. Until next time, bye-bye.